What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Double CP, and I am back with another video. Sorry guys, I look really dusty today because I just wanted to film this video because my shoe just came in, so I just wanted to hurry up and film them. So my fault for looking really dusty. And in today's video, I will be doing a review on Stadium Goods because I ordered some shoes on Stadium Goods, and I know I haven't done anything about shoes since the beginning of my channel, but I want to get back into doing shoe videos and different type of videos because I like shoes and I'm a sneakerhead, but I need to build my collection on more. So yeah, if you guys want to see more of these shoe videos, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments down below. So I'm gonna share y'all my experience first on with Stadium Goods. So I ordered the shoes I ordered the shoes Wednesday of last week Wednesday, yes. And it said, I looked on the website and it said it's gonna take 2 to 3 days. I mean, it can take up to 3 days to ship your shoes out to you. So I'm like, okay, up to 3 days. So I should probably have my shoes probably like 5 days, something like that. But ended up taking longer than expected. A week went by, right? Which was yesterday. Yesterday was a week. So I was like, what is going on? So I emailed them, and then yesterday they emailed me back again, and they said that it might pay me through a third party or something. I don't know. But they said that my shoes gonna ship soon. So that was around 6. So then at 9, it said my shoes shipped. So I was like, alright, bet. That was pretty good. So I'm happy. I wanted them before the first day of school because I wanted to wear them on the first day of school. So, but I didn't know if I was getting them. Now I got them. Pretty happy. So yeah, now I want to see. I haven't opened them yet. They're right here. You guys will see what shoes I got, and I wanted to do the opening with you guys to tell you guys how, if they're legit or not, if it's fake. Because if it's fake, I'm gonna be really mad. I'm gonna let you guys know if it's legit, if it's like clean and everything, and if you guys should order from Stadium Goods. Because when I got them at a really good price. I'm not gonna say the price or nothing, but I got them at a really good price from what they're going on any other app. But I don't think none of my reactions, all my reactions are live. So yeah, let's just get right into this video. I'm nervous. I don't know what to expect. I never ordered from Stadium Goods before. My first time ordering from Stadium Goods. Okay, got that one. Got that one. Also, I wanted these shoes for a while since they came out. I was unable to get them because they sold out. So, I got my second chance. Okay. As you can see, got a variation sticker. It says Stadium Goods. Or my address. And yeah, that's that. What is this? That's just a sticker. Then we got something else. We got a Stadium Goods sticker, which is pretty cool. Then thank you for your business. We couldn't do it without you. Hit us up anytime. And then it says all the information. Pretty tough. Now let's get to the good stuff. Whew, my heart beating fast. Let's see. Why did I open this, man? This is so crazy. Sorry about that. Took a long time expecting to open this to get the stuff out. Okay. Got a little thing right here. I'm gonna keep it on just in case I might have to return it and get my money back. But yeah, let's get right into it. Let's open it. I don't know how nervous I am right now. The only reason I'm nervous is because I never ordered shoes from here before. I mean, I watched a couple of the videos and I seen that their shoes were legit. Where the scissors go? Yeah, I seen that their shoes were legit, but I'm just wondering if mine are. Cause I know not all the time their shoes can be legit. They might miss something, or they cannot be in the best condition. They might not be in the best condition. But, okay. The box looks to be in okay big shape. You guys probably can see now what I got. I got the Jordan 9. I mean, that's the Jordan 9. Jordan 11 blackouts. Size 9. My size. Okay, the box looks in pretty good condition. Let's open. Whew, the moment we've been waiting for. Circle, man. Okay, looks pretty legit. You guys haven't noticed, if you guys didn't watch my last video, I'm gonna put the link in the description. Like, it's a pretty old video, but it's a Christmas vlog, and I did a shoe review, I think. I got the Red 11, so I know what the boxing and stuff looks like. So here you go. And here they are. Okay, looks pretty brand new. Really good smell. Yeah. And these look really legit to me. Got the Widow's Peak. Jumpman. Let me check the Jumpman out. Jumpman looks pretty legit. If you guys can't see that, pretty legit. Okay, let's check the size. Make sure the size is correct. Okay. So far, pretty good. Stadium Goods. Pretty good. Then I got this one here that says Stadium Goods, which is pretty cool. This one, okay, looks pretty legit. The Widow's Peak. The Jumpman. Yep. You see the Jumpman? And you got the laces tied, which I seen, the laces tied like this, which I seen in another video when I picked up the Red 11s. So if the laces are tied like this, you order them, then they're pretty legit. I mean, anybody can tie shoes like that, but yeah. Smells good, good condition. And yeah, so I will be doing a review of these. I will be showing you guys the on feet. But first, I like to say that if you guys would like copying these shoes from Stadium Goods, I recommend it because my experience has been good, and it's a pretty good shoe. I like this shoe. Let me guys know if you like this shoe. I like this shoe. It looks new, smells good, looks clean, looks authentic. So everything looks good. So I don't have to return nothing. And I'm going to show you guys the on feet of the shoes. And I recommend you guys shopping at Stadium Goods because their prices can be really low. But you got to catch them at the right time because sometimes they're low, sometimes they're high. You just got to catch them at the right time. But yeah, I will put my old video in the link in the description of my copy of my Red 11. So if you guys want to watch that, you can watch that. And yeah, now I'm going to get right on to the on feet.